Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're looking at something you probably eat all the time, but might not fully understand mechanically. Yeah, the humble banana. Think of your digestive tract as an intricate, highly adaptable engine. And depending on how you tune that engine through your diet, it processes this simple fruit using completely different metabolic pathways. It's actually pretty wild. Okay, let's dive right into this. You've probably heard it said before. Bananas are great for diets because they're rich in fiber and provide stable energy without excess calories. But the true secret lies in how they actually do this. Bananas aren't just a snack. They're an incredibly adaptable fuel source for weight management and fitness, and it is entirely dependent on your body's current physiological state. So here's our roadmap for today. First up, the biology of banana digestion. Then we'll cover low-calorie diets and prolonging fullness, keto diets and resisting starch digestion, muscle building for rapid absorption, and finally, we'll wrap up with your strategic diet blueprint. We're going to explore exactly how specific dietary goals map perfectly to the changing chemistry of this fruit. Section 1. The biology of banana digestion.
Now, the fundamental question we have to answer here is how exactly do we optimize this fruit for your specific biological engine and diet? Because eating a banana, it isn't just a one-size-fits-all event. It's a highly specific metabolic input, and we can actually control it to perfectly match your personal fitness journey.
What's genuinely fascinating is how the physical ripening process completely alters our digestive response. Seriously, it's like two entirely different foods. A slightly green, unripe banana contains lower sugar and a much higher amount of resistant starch. But as it sits on your counter and ripens, natural enzymes step in and break those starches down into fast-absorbing carbohydrates. This simple chemical change inside the fruit is literally the key to hacking your digestion.
Section 2, low-calorie and prolonging fullness.
105. That's the average calorie count of a medium-sized banana. Metabolically speaking, this is incredibly inexpensive for the amount of stable, long-lasting energy you're getting. If you're trying to cut weight without that terrible mid-afternoon crash, this is absolutely your perfect foundational fuel. Let's trace the actual mechanism step by step. Step 1, you consume that medium banana as a snack. Step 2, its super high fiber content hits your stomach. And then step 3, the magic happens. Gastric emptying is actively delayed. That fiber basically acts as a physical barrier in your digestive tract, slowing everything down. It keeps you physically full, essentially shutting off those annoying hunger hormones that always lead to overeating. Section 3. Keto and resisting starch digestion. If you're on a strict low-carb protocol, the absolutely crucial concept you need to know is resistant starch. This is a specific type of starch found in slightly green bananas that literally resists typical sugar breakdown in your digestive tract. Instead of easily converting to glucose, it actually ferments in the large intestine. So this biological loophole allows you to eat the fruit while completely bypassing the rapid blood sugar spikes that would instantly kick you out of ketosis. Pretty clever, right? This creates a brilliant tactical approach for keto dieters. First, limit your overall portion size. Second, actively choose slightly green bananas. By doing this, you benefit from a lower overall sugar content while maximizing your intake of that resistant starch. You are intentionally forcing your digestion to work within your strict dietary parameters. Section 4. Muscle building and rapid absorption. Let's look at the timeline and see how this builds an absolutely perfect biological environment for your muscles. First, you consume a banana pre- or post-workout. Next is the digestion phase, where you get rapid absorption of those natural carbs. Finally, the recovery phase, where your body instantly uses those fast-track carbs to restore depleted muscle energy. Its natural carbohydrates are quickly absorbed by the body. And in this specific scenario, rapid digestion is not something to avoid. It's exactly what we want. Your muscles are basically screaming for energy after a heavy lift. By using a fully ripe banana, you bypass slow digestion and directly inject glucose into your bloodstream to replenish exhausted muscles. It is metabolic efficiency at its absolute finest. Section 5. Your strategic diet blueprint. Okay, so here is your ultimate cheat sheet, bringing all these physiological concepts together. Going low-calorie, you'll want a medium-sized banana as a snack. The mechanism here is that the high fiber prolongs fullness. Keto or low-carb, limit your portion and go slightly green. This utilizes high-resistant starch and gives you lower sugar. And for muscle building, you want a ripe banana pre- or post-workout. That triggers rapid absorption to restore energy. See how this works? It's all about matching the chemistry of the fruit to the biological demands of your body.
Which brings us to our final thought. Take a look at your own fitness journey right now. Based on your goals, which biological banana blueprint will fuel your engine today? Will you use fiber for fullness, resistant starch for ketosis, or rapid absorption for muscle recovery? The science is incredibly clear and the choice is entirely up to you. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.